Ever wondered how high-performance coaches help burnt-out professionals reclaim their balance and productivity? Well, the secret lies in sleep. Yes, you heard right, sleep. The one thing many workaholics tend to compromise. It's time to debunk the myth that sleep is a luxury. In fact, it's a necessity for optimum performance. Remember, your brain needs downtime to recharge, consolidate memories, and enhance creativity. Now, imagine this. You're in bed, ready to sleep, but your mind is buzzing with unfinished tasks. Here's a tip from the experts. Jot down your thoughts on paper. It's a proven strategy to declutter your mind and prepare it for a restful night. And don't forget to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. It helps in regulating your body's internal clock, promoting better sleep at night. So if you're burning the midnight oil, remember, balance is key. Give sleep the respect it deserves, and watch your productivity soar. Good night and sleep well.